Due to the growing trend of YouTube automation, many people have not only made it a source of income, but have adopted it as a regular business because earning thousands of dollars is no longer a big deal. For a faceless YouTube channel, you can use your creativity and earn a steady and huge income with the best strategy. I am sure after watching this video, you too can earn $10,000 easily by posting the best video for your faceless YouTube channel with little effort. The success story of this faceless YouTube channel is incredible because it started just 6 months ago and one of its videos has already skyrocketed to over 1 million views. The channel has earned more than $10,000, and the most interesting thing is that this channel attracts viewers by publishing philosophical and motivational videos. I will guide you through the entire process without taking much of your time, so don't skip any single part of this process that can be the game-changing strategy for your channel. After creating a channel, the first thing you need is a topic. You have to choose a topic that has got the maximum number of views in a short period. Now you have to carefully look for the best channels under your niche and look for a video that has become popular in a very short time. After getting the best video topic, go to ChatGPT, paste the topic title, and instruct it to write a script according to this topic. For example, I am choosing this topic and I will take the help of ChatGPT to develop a complete script for it. As you can see, it generates the entire script with a conversational tone that makes the audience feel like they're having a direct conversation with the monk himself. When creating a video, it's important to analyze competitor channels. Videos in this niche tend to perform best when they are 3 to 4 minutes long. Longer videos, such as 10 to 15 minutes, generally don't yield better results. To optimize performance, keep the video length under 5 minutes. After that, you need a heart-touching voiceover that will make your video captivating and touch the viewer's emotions and minds. 11 Labs is a great, unique tool that offers a variety of great voices in different styles that millions of people use daily for their videos. Go to 11 Labs, paste your paragraph in the text bar, and search for the best voice according to your video topic. After selecting the best voice, click the Generate button, and within a few minutes, it will generate an outstanding voiceover for your video. After this process, you now need prompts that will make the topic of your video stronger and attract viewers to your video easily. For this, copy the first paragraph of your script, then go to ChatGPT, paste this in the text bar, and instruct it to write a prompt according to this paragraph. It gives you image prompts so that you can create the same image as that scene. Now we have our visual prompts. Repeat this process for the whole script, and after getting all the image prompts from here, move to the next step. Next, go to leonardoai and click on Image Creation. Before you paste the prompt, make sure to change the dimensions to 16 by 9. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy this one image prompt. Paste this prompt here and just click on Generate. Select the one you like, upscale it for better quality, and download it. Now, do this with all prompts. Copy from ChatGPT, paste it here, and download them all. Alright, we've already made some great progress, but the best is still ahead. Get ready, because we're about to take things to the next level. We're going to bring these images to life and boost our video using an amazing free animation tool. You're about to see your content in a whole new way, but before we dive into the animation, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now let's get back to it. So now open any one of the images in the Paint app and simply pull it down to increase the size and save it. Some of you might be wondering why I'm doing this, but trust me, you'll be amazed. Today I'm going to reveal a secret trick that will blow your mind. Now go to Pixverse AI, create a free account, and head over to this page. Click on the image option here, upload your image, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Click on the Create button, and we get our animated video in just a few minutes. And the best thing is the watermark will appear at the bottom, so we can remove it during editing. Now do this with all the images and download them all. Now we have our voice and animated videos. The last thing we need is the background music. For background music, go to pixabay.com and search for documentary background music. It gives you copyright-free music. You can use whatever you like according to your needs. Now it's time to put everything together. Now we move to the next step, editing. I like CapCut, but you can use any other editing software you like. Now create a new project and import all voiceovers. Drag them into the timeline. Put the background music here and make the length of the background music as long as the voiceover. Now select all voiceover files, set their volume to 5, and set the volume of the background music to -15. Now, import video files and increase all video scales. I will fast forward a few steps so the video doesn't become too long. You can apply effects or filters to it. There are a lot of effects here. I like this effect, but you can choose whatever you like. Drag your effect into the timeline, drag it to the end of your video so this is visible throughout the whole video. Now we generate captions. Go to text and click on auto captions. In just a few seconds, captions will be generated. You can choose different types of templates here. I will go with this template and adjust the caption. Now our video is ready to export. Click on export, change the resolution to 1080p, and set the frame rate to 60 FPS. Press export. Wait a few minutes and our video is ready to upload. But before we upload the video, here is a pro tip that no one will tell you. We will name the file of our video as per the title of our video. Now you may think, what difference does this make? A big creator did this before uploading his video, and this gives more ranking to our video in search. Now take a look.
Welcome, my friends. Today, I want to ask you a question that may be uncomfortable but necessary. Are you wasting your life by focusing on the wrong things? This question is at the heart of understanding who we are and where we're headed. And yet, we often push it aside, not because we don't care but because sometimes, it's simply easier to keep busy than to dig deep. I, too, was once caught up in a life of endless tasks and pursuits, always hoping the next achievement would bring happiness. But the truth is, I was focusing on things that would fade, and that realization was like a gentle whisper that became a roar I could no longer ignore. So today, let's reflect together. I'll share with you 3 key lessons I learned that helped me turn my focus from the fleeting to the lasting, from busyness to peace. If this resonates with you, I invite you to stay with me till the end. Most of us are running a race, but the path is often unclear.
If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.